Hello guys, today I will show you how to create account on TradingView. So just follow and watch this video till the end. First you have to download TradingView from Play Store or App Store, whatever your device is. Then you should open it. After this, come here to the menu and click sign in. Click like this and click sign in with Google if you want. You can sign in with your Facebook or your Twitter or your LinkedIn. Then just you have to choose your Google account from here. Right now guys, I choose my Google account or my email, then it will take me to another page. So right now when I will click here, they will create an account on TradingView, quick and easy as you see. And that's it, you can use it right now. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.